3 SAT algebra topics to master. Welcome to the SAT Wizard. Number 3, number of solutions. There's two possible categories here. We have a system of lines. Either they are parallel, same slope. Remember, y equals mx plus b, so they have the same value of m, but different b. That means there are zero solutions. Remember, a solution to a system is when they cross each other. These cross each other nowhere. Visualize it. Visualize it. Graph it. Draw it. When in doubt, draw it out. Always draw it. Plug it in. Do it all. Make it happen. Two of the system, you could have them be the same exact line. If they're the exact same line, then there is infinite solutions because they touch each other everywhere. That means they have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So this is same m, but different b, b1, b2. This is same m, same b, same exact line. That means you can make them look the same. The third situation is where you have different m's and maybe different b's, maybe same b's. You just have different m. If you have different m, M1, M2, they will only cross each other once, and you will have one solution. This is how you do lines, the system of equations. How many points do the graphs intersect? They have the same M, but different B's. So they intersect at 0 points, because if I were to graph both of these, I would see that one of them is 2x plus 10 and it goes way up here. One of them is 2x minus 1 and goes like that, or something like that if I drew it a little better. The point is, they don't intersect ever because they are parallel, because they have the same m but different b's. Boom. If you come across something like this, don't panic. If a system has no solution, you know exactly what that means. No solution means same M, different B. That's all that matters. So let's get this into a nice form. Let's simplify this, and I don't know if we can simplify this. So 48x, I'm going to add that 72 over. I'm going to subtract the 24 over. I get 48x minus 24 equals 102y because I have to add 72y. We know how to move things around in a different video. We can cover that. So 48x, what I can do is divide by 102, divide by 102, and I get y equals 48 over 102x minus 24 of 102. Stop. You can simplify, but you don't need to. Now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to solve for y by dividing by r. So I get y equals 1 over 6r minus 16 over rx. Great. Which of these is the slope? It's the one in front of the x, which means this must match this, which means negative 16 over r equals 48 over 102. Did you expect all the numbers to be easy? Oh, so silly. What a silly assumption. Never they're easy, but the concepts are the same. We know how to move things around in an equation. We know how to solve for y. I solve for y here. I solve for y here. They have the same m but different b. Since they have the same m, I can solve for r, no problem. No solution means same m, different b. Solving for r, you can do one of two things. You can flip both sides. You can cross multiply. Pick your fave. I'm going to flip both sides. Negative r over 16 equals 102 over 48. R equals 16 times 102 over 48 times negative. Make that negative. 16 over 48 is 3. You can plug that into a calculator, or you can realize that 16 goes into 48 three times. 3 goes to 102, goes into 10 three times, with a remainder of 1 goes into 12 four times. So that is negative 14. Math is fun. Could we have seen that when we saw this question? Absolutely not. But do we know what to do when a system has no solutions? Yes, we do. Do we know how to solve for y in a question? Yes, we do. Do we know how to match slopes? Yes, we do. And do we know how to solve this equation for r? Yes, we do. How many steps? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3 steps. Maybe 4 if you count the logic. This is a multiple step problem, but we know how to do each steps. That was the SAT wizard. Plug it in.